Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. I know I look rough right now, but I gotta do my hair. I'm blow drying it out right now. So I'm just gonna vlog today because y'all know I told you guys I was gonna be updated with vlogs and I kept my promise. Yes, this is my real hair and it is a mess and it's a lot to deal with. So I'm gonna do my hair. Hopefully it don't rain today because my hair do not like the humidity. That's why it's all like frizzy and poofy. You don't see that pimple right there? It's so irritating. I want it to go away. But yeah, my hair, it do not sit right with the humidity. So I'm going to be vlogging today and I got a lot to do. So from here on out, yeah, stay tuned. So subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at topnotch.ashanti. And yeah, you guys don't want to miss. So y'all, I look so bummy right now. But I'm about to blow dry my hair out. Ooh. Let me have a quick. So y'all, I'm gonna put it in the ponytail so I could take it piece by piece so I could straighten it out. Mind y'all, I have a lot of hair, so this probably is going to take some time because I have a lot of hair. So I've never really made a video with like my real hair, so I never experienced it, but today you guys could experience it and see how it is. Let me just put like a bun, like a retro bun. Hopefully my hair does not frizz up today because that's what we do. As soon as I go outside, my hair frizzes up. And the reason for that is I don't have a perm. I've never got a perm in my hair. So my hair don't sit right with the weather. And my hair does not like the weather. And y'all, my face is foul right now because this is like my pregnancy look. So don't mind it. I did put a jacket on because I have on like pajamas, but I'm gonna do my hair because Okay guys, so I finally finished and this is my outcome. I don't know, I made it like, I had like used the bevelers to do like a little flop and then it ended up like this, like feathery right there. But yep, this is the outcome of how I did it. And like I said, I've never did like a vlog on me doing my real hair, so I thought this would be nice to do.